Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to set the default video player in a Windows 10 operating system. You can set any video player as a default video player in Windows 10 operating system. It is a very easy and simple process. First of all, just go to the start. Here, just type settings or just go to the settings at here and just click on the settings. Okay. Now settings is open. Here we find apps. In settings, just click on the apps. Okay. In apps, we find many options. Just go to default apps. Just go to the default apps. Okay. Here we find default apps for music player, for your photo viewer. Okay. It's automatically open that software. Okay. In video player, just scroll down and here we find video player. It is default app is film and TV. Okay. In your case, your video player default app must be different or same. Okay. Now just click at here. If you want to change this default app, then just click at here. Okay. Now, as soon as we click, here we find many options: film and video, media player, photos, VLC media player, and Windows media player. Okay. You can choose any other software from here. Just click at here and choose that app that you want to as a default media player. If Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge or any other app that you like to play your video. Okay. I just want to VLC media player. You can go with the film and TV or just go to the VLC media player or any other app. Just click at here. Now, video player, for my video player, VLC media player is my default app. Another option is if you want to choose default application by file type, then just go to the here and change it from here. It is not very easy, so I don't recommend this, and I want to go to the back. It takes some time, so I just go to the back. I don't recommend it. So guys, this is the simplest way to set the default video player in Windows 10 operating system. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.